Okay, my friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to repair this frame. This is for the crisper, the humidity drawer at the bottom of a 650. It can also be a 611, which will just be a little smaller. But the customer somehow broke it. The drawer itself sits on top of this and it slides in and out. So this is basically called a slide. So I have a clamp on here. That's where it has to be welded. I'm going to show you how it's broken. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grind off this paint, and then we're going to tack weld it. Okay. Well, they put some kind of glue or something on there. I can't tell. We want to make sure that we get this on right. And we also have to ground the frame so we can weld it. So we need a piece of bare metal, and there's none on here, obviously. Okay, let me get my welding system here. Alright, so I'm going to just measure this distance. We have about 1.25 inches there. That's not 1.25 inches, so let's take this back off and move this up a little bit. So I measured it, the distance on both ends. Let's see what this is. It's important. You take your time to do this right, otherwise you're going to have to do it over or buy a new one. Yep, good. All right, let's get our welder set up. Now I have an option. I could either TIG weld it, or I can arc weld it, or MIG weld it. We'll decide. So we got a ground. We got it in position. My welding machine. I'm going to MIG weld it. I'm just going to tack it. There's no reason to get TIG welded or anything like that. It's not that crucial. So let me get set up. Okay, here's the finished product. I cleaned it up. I tack welded it. I sprayed it with white gloss acrylic paint, and that's all it takes to fix one of these. And I checked on the price. It's about $200 to get one of these. Alright, so it's just a quick video on how to fix things. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one.